Hello guys, today we'll be discussing on an interesting topic. The thing is that there is an API by the help of which you can ease out the visualization of your search console data by adding up to 50,000 rows of queries into it. Sounds complicated, right? So here is the thing. So whenever you open your Google Search Console by default only shows you the performance metrics based on the top 1000 query, which is the default settings on any Google Search Console out there in the universe. Now what if you have a large websites and you have plenty of queries out there? So your data can also change, your performance metrics can also change, right? So this is where this API would come into the play. So by the help of this API, you can pull in information for as much as query your site is ranking for. The limit is up to 50,000. However, that can also be iterated. So let us find out in this today's video how to do the exact steps and let us find out how to do the exact steps on this today's video. So as you can see from the screen, this is a typical example of a GSC, and you will be having some manual queries in the pages, and this is limited to 1000 benchmark. So here is the magic. So just open console.cloud.google.com, just click on a new project. Once you are on the new project, click on enable APIs and services, as you can see from the screen, and then just search Google Search Console API. So this is the result which you'll get. Simply click on that, click on manage. In case if you do not find the enable button, in our case the enable button is already previously applied, so it's showing as API enable. But if you do not find the enable button, just click on manage and then just click on go to the extension, click on add-ons, click on get add-ons, and then install an API connector. In our case, we have installed the KPI Bees API connector as shown below. So KPI Bees, like this is we have installed as a connector. Now the thing is, why do we need a connector? So we need a connector simply because that we want to record the data into a particular reporting tool, just like Data Studio. So we have used Data Studio for instance. So we are using KPI Bees as a connector. Then you need to create a query. So once the connector is installed, then once again head back to the extensions, click on KPIs B, click on create query, as you can see on the screen. Then the screen will something open like this. Click on Google Search Console. After that, you can choose the particular fields which you would like to obtain. If you would like the clicks, the CTRs, the impressions, the position, like whatever things you would like, you can just take that. In our case, we have chosen the query ranges. So this is the main date. We have simply omitted the days and the times because that is not relevant to us. After that, you can use the similar metrics once again to take another data on the clicks and the impression fields as well. So this is one of the sample data which we have collected, the date, the clicks and the impressions and the query. So now let us try to visualize the thing in a Data Studio. So we need to now connect the Google Sheets with the Data Studio. So this can be done with the help of a lookup connector. So once again, go to your Google Sheet, select the appropriate data, as you can see from the screen. Just follow the steps, click on connect, and after clicking on the connect, you can choose your appropriate dimensions, like just the dimensions on the x-axis or the y-axis of what you would like. So you can simply perform the steps as shown on the screen, and then your queries and the data should be visible, as you can see. So the key conclusion is very simple. The key conclusion is that by performing this particular strategy, we can, like in our case, we have got more than 18,000 plus queries, which is much more than the 1000 query which was the initial default limit to our Search Console data. So this is a very handy thing which really can make a greater impact. So guys, this is a very handy, and most importantly, this can give you the right direction into which you should look your Search Console data, because your Search Console data is all about the number of queries it's capturing. So the limitation is only up to 1000. So the next time you send an update to your client or you do an SEO analysis, make sure to perform these steps so that you can get a wide range of queries, and you can really check what all queries your site is ranking for and what you need to change and what you do not need to change. I hope this video will bring more success to your client retention and also to the data visualization, which can empower you to do many useful SEO innovations. See you again on the next video. Thank you.